Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone, iPad, so might be this video is very important for you, how to bypass MDM management, and sometimes you totally forget which pin or which physical passcode you provided your iPhone or iPad. Using MagFone software, you can very easily bypass. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. I just simply open here Google and type MagFone. I already added this product link in video description. This is the framework of this platform, MagFone. The platform are selling much more other product as well. Today we are targeting iPhone Unlocker, Unlock, iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch without passcode, turn off screen time passcode without losing any data, remove Apple ID from your iPhone, iPad without password. That would be much impressive. Bypass MDM management on your iPhone. The software available for Windows and Mac as well. So I have Mac, so I just simply download the software. If you access all the features, so here basic prices are available monthly, yearly and lifetime as well. You can access. I just simply open this one and install the software in my Mac. Just simply drag and drop here. Installation is successfully done. I just simply click here in my app section. So here is the application. Installation is successfully done. I just simply open here app, and here MagFone iPhone application is showing. I just simply say open. Do you want to open this one? Yes. Congratulations, successfully installation of MagFone Unlocker. I just simply click here. I purchase the software. So I just simply add here my register email address and just simply say register successfully. I just simply go back. So now I can access entire things. So how many features we are receiving. Unlock your iPhone screen. If you click here, connect your iPhone to the system, you can very easily unlock your iPhone screen. Remove iCloud activation lock, unlock Apple ID, remove MDM, unlock screen time passcode, remove iTone backup encrypted. So we can see here, I will show you as we receive here. I just simply select here remove MDM and just I connected already in my iPhone. So start, and meanwhile I will show you in my iPhone screen as well. So both screen is working simultaneously. So removing mobile device management as well, and here afterwards completing this process. Let's see what's going on, and my restart in progress. Automatically iPhone is a restart if you removing MDM for features. So remove is successfully completed. I just simply wait here in my iPhone. A restart is going on in my iPhone. So we can see after spending couple of minutes, let's see my iPhone is totally remove MDM version. So wait couple of seconds. Now is a restart my iPhone. I already connected my iPhone in my Mac. So using the software we can very easily remove MDM. Now is a restart. So look at this here. After restart completed, I just simply open here, enter here in my iPhone setting, scroll down here in general, and if I scroll down here, so here option is available, VPN and device management, and boom, previously my company are registered MDM service, but I using the software I can very easily remove these things. This is the simple process to remove mobile device management in your iPhone. Same thing you should apply if you forget password of your iPhone. Remove iCloud activation lock and some other things as well. This is the one of the best software I saw ever. If you have any question related on the software, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.